Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to seamlessly transfer your bookmarks from Firefox to Microsoft Edge browser. Whether you are switching browsers or just want to keep your bookmarks organized across platforms, we have got you covered. So let's start the video. First, open up your Mozilla Firefox browser. So these are the bookmarks that we want to export to Edge. For this, open Microsoft Edge browser. Now click on the three horizontal dots at the top right corner of the screen to open the Edge menu. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, click on the Profiles tab in the left sidebar. Now click on Import Browser Data. Here click on Import button next to Import Data from Firefox. Under Choose What to Import, uncheck all options except favorites or bookmarks. Now click on Import button. Click on Done. So these are the bookmarks transferred from Firefox and you can see them in your Edge browser as favorites. So that's how to export bookmarks from Firefox to Edge. Thanks for watching.